Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of time to create. And if you're serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's begin. 1. Why affiliate marketing is the best way to start making money online. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and fastest ways for beginners to earn income online. As explained in the introduction, pages 4-5, it requires no product creation, no technical skills, and no upfront costs. You simply promote a product and earn a commission for every sale. Digital products especially give you commissions of 70 to 80%, meaning you can earn more than the actual creator. This is why affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners. You can start fast, scale endlessly, and earn while you sleep. 2. How affiliate marketing actually works. Chapter 1, pages 6 to 10, explains the process clearly. You get an affiliate link. Someone clicks it, a cookie tracks the purchase, you get paid your commission. Most digital products are ebooks, courses, software, because the creator doesn't pay for shipping or manufacturing, making commissions extremely high. Creators want affiliates because it expands their reach. You help them sell more, they happily share the profit. A win-win model. 3. Where to find the best affiliate products. Chapter 2, pages 11 to 12, explains where beginners should start. ClickBank, JVZoo, Commission Junction, and Amazon Associates for physical products. Look for high commissions, high demand, decent price, and good sales numbers. Many products even include ready-made marketing materials, emails, banners, and sales pages, letting you start immediately. Affiliate marketing is truly a copy-and-paste business model when done right. 4. Selling physical products, services, and recurring offers. Chapter 2 continues explaining other earning methods. Physical products. Amazon pays lower commissions, 4 to 8%, but physical products convert better because people trust Amazon. And if someone clicks your link but buys something else, you still get paid. Selling services. This is where the big money is. Services often pay recurring commissions, meaning you earn every month the customer stays subscribed. This is how affiliate marketers build long-term passive income. 5. How to choose the right affiliate products. Chapter 3, pages 18 to 22, reveals what most beginners get wrong. What not to do. Don't chase the most popular niches, make money, fitness, dating. They are extremely competitive and hard to rank for. What to do instead. Choose micro-niches, smaller markets where you can dominate. Example, instead of fitness, choose fitness for women over 50, home gym equipment guides, paleo diet for athletes. Smaller niche equals bigger opportunity because you reach the right people faster. 6. Build an audience that trusts you. Chapter 4, pages 23 to 26, emphasizes the importance of building trust. Before selling anything, create a brand people believe in. Essential steps. Build a website. Create a strong brand identity. Post valuable content consistently. Provide real insight and unique perspectives. Understand your audience deeply. General websites fail. Specific, focused brands win. People buy from creators they trust, not from random links. 7. How to place your affiliate links for maximum conversions. There are many smart ways to insert your affiliate link, pages 27 to 33. Sales page. A dedicated page that persuades visitors to buy. Use strong headlines, stories, facts and stats, social proof, guarantees, and emotional hooks. Blog articles. Add your link naturally inside content. Top 10 lists and product reviews convert extremely well. Email marketing. Email subscribers are the most likely to buy. Social media. Instagram, Facebook groups, TikTok, anywhere your audience hangs out. PDFs, ebooks, flyers. The book even suggests embedding links in downloadable content to reach highly engaged readers. 8. Driving traffic with free and paid strategies. Chapter 4 also covers marketing strategies, pages 33 to 35. PPC advertising. Use Facebook ads or Google ads. Target based on age, interests, intent, very important, and keywords. You only want clicks from people ready to buy. Free organic traffic. SEO, social media posts, YouTube videos, forum participation. Both methods together create unstoppable growth. 9. Advanced tools to boost your affiliate earnings. Chapter 5, pages 36 to 39, introduces professional tools. Genius Link automatically sends people to their country's correct Amazon store. Trackonomics shows which affiliate program gives the highest commission for any product. Google Analytics track page performance, optimize content, and improve conversions. A/B testing tools improve landing pages to increase sales. These tools turn beginners into serious marketers. 10. The new strategy for long-term success. The conclusion, pages 40 to 41, outlines the modern blueprint. Build an audience first, through valuable content and strong branding. Promote a few high-ticket products, through email blasts, hype, and targeted ads. Promote many small affiliate products, through articles, SEO, and social media. Scale what works and remove what doesn't. This is how you create a long-term business that earns money even while you sleep. Outro. Ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you understand how affiliate marketing really works, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss upcoming videos filled with strategies, secrets, and tools to level up your online income. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep building your digital empire.